Alright, Gorilla Tech just got an update. It's the volcano update, I think. I don't know anymore. I think the message of the day is this way. The weather is usually cool, but forest is heating up. The next level.
You stupid.
You know, I want to save the map for last. Oh, here we go. Here's the cosmetic.
Love this update.
Oh my! Slingshot, dude. Oh. Wow, dude, what is that?
If you eat the chili pepper, you breathe fire after you eat
What?
What?
Yeah.
What?
And this is, you know, like that Cupid heart ring? It's pretty much
Where's the
that.
chili
for, like,
pepper?
your finger. Put it in that spoon.
Okay. Alright, here we go.
Pretty sick.
Okay.
You got scientist goggles.
Why is the minor kid still
You
here
got,
though?
like,
Forest lava.
You got poor people clothes.
Oh my god.
Ooh, this looks so. The shirt. The shirt. This one looks alright, I guess.
Wait, did I need?
And this one looks pretty good. I like that.
Pepper the slingshot.
Oh, oh, that actually looks good. Oh, I like that.
Look at the slingshot. Look at the slingshot.
Go. I didn't equip it yet. That looks pretty good. Okay, this is mid. Mid.
Wait, how many days is this?
Ooh, I like this hat. This hat's pretty good.
Updates mid? Who said that?
Why is it so bad?
What? No, I didn't say it's mid. I don't really like this cosmetic. This one's alright though. This cosmetic's alright. The hair one. Alright.
Fire? I didn't even know that. Yeah, the bird.
Magma thing.
Fire. Oh, this hat's pretty cool.
Here we got a free badge, which I'm gonna definitely buy. Got this.
Guys, look.
What is that? Oh, it's a little ring.
This umbrella's fire.
Cool.
Hold up.
Oh, it's a torch.
Free badge. And I'm pretty sure.
And then there's this. Where is it? Oh, okay.
N.
Oh, it's like one of those things from China.
G.
I don't know. I think I saw some Kung Fu Panda.
Yeah, you mean
Sheesh. Sheesh. Skadoosh.
in multiple cultures.
Alright, there we go. Got that. Alright, let's get the sling. Let's see the slingshot. Oh, okay, that hat, that thing, that thing. No. Alright.
Oh, this is fire. Oh wait, have you seen Force yet? What?
Dude! This rains lava!
Guys,
Dude, that's actually so cool.
In forest.
Hey, but you want to see something really cool?
What is this?
Eat this whole pepper. Somebody eat this pepper.
Hey, don't leave. Go to Lottie.
I'll eat it.
I'll show you.
What about a pepper? Dude,
Pepper.
I just breathed fire.
Pablo. Hello.
Oh my god! It makes noise! Wait, dude! What? Oh my god, wait. Wait, listen.
Where's lava? Hello?
Why can't I eat it?
Wait, guys, I have a new map. Guys, they have. No,
Dude.
it's going to forest. And I
Okay,
don't
wait.
see it. Yeah, dude, the new outfit is crazy, dude. Okay.
Alright, okay, there's that. Okay, that hat's good.
Wait, where's the
And
new
the slingshot.
Guys,
Alright.
where's the new map? We need to buy something.
We are now gonna see the new Gorilla Tag map if it came out. What? What is this? What is this? What?
Hey, just you just have to put your arm like that, move like that. Oh my god! I'm just on lava, please. Everybody.
Oh, how do I get to the volcano?
Come over here. Come over here. Follow me. Follow me.
There is no volcano map, which makes me mad.
This is the volcano map, kind of. Ish.
No. Well, now it is. There's a huge
volcano's over here.
volcano.
It's a
Wait, stop it.
It's just me being good at the game.
What happened? Wait, why are the maps still like the same?
I'm like a...
I'm just saying fast.
What is this?
Oh, yo, guys.
Yo, I gotta check out this new cosmetic.
At school today? Bro, this update is sick.
Does anybody know how to get up to the volcano?
No. Volcano? What is this volcano? Where's the volcano? Where? You guys got
Oh.
Oh, is it doing it? Let's go. Already.
What the? What's going on?
Run. I just want to know.
What? Oh my God! What is going on? Wait, what is that? What is that? Wait, I'm confused. This is so confusing.
No, bro, if you stand right here, you can fly.
Alright, this is the magma. This is the This is the forest heating
The creators.
up challenge. This is the forest. This is the new update. There's a big volcano over there.
I won't. I'm just. We're looking at the
That's.
floor.